Hello everybody, this is Nicole here. We are going to be doing some Minecraft. This is the Let's Play that I am doing on another server. Anyway, we are going to be doing Lifeboat. Lifeboat is like a server where you can play games, like the survival games, the walls, Spleef, Sky Wars. Excuse me. Anyway, I'm just going to type in my password and we are going to be playing some survival games. That's actually a real sentence. I got stuck in a tree and she killed me. What? Oh, Askin Village. 1 minute and 30 seconds. It shouldn't be long to 8 for. Well, yeah, Alexa just walked in the room and she won't leave. Oh, now she's leaving. Oh, the door just opened. Well, I have to go real quick. That is done. Oh, it's back. No. Okay, I'm on. Accidentally pressed the home button. Yeah, Alexa is breathing really loudly like a second ago, so just ignore that. Oh, I have to wait for is this to start? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, wow. He's definitely a hacker. Let me get just 3 pieces of bread. A potato. Got 1 potato and 1 piece of bread. Well, let's go. 10 seconds of the incivility pig. I just have to go up really quickly before she kills me with the stone. She's coming for me. Everybody's coming for me already. This might be a quick game. Let's just get down here. Probably she won't see me going this way. Oh, change of plans. We're going in this direction now. There's someone right there. I wish you won't see me. Well, let's just go under the bridge because I know there is a chest down here. Oh my god, she found me! How did she find me? Well, it might be like 3 games now. Anyway, let's just go in here. See if there's a game to join. It is stay charged. What? Stay charged. Stay charged. Okay. Well, let's just go and see if the survival games. There's a new game. Anyway, let's just go onto here. In here. Stillbeast Island. Is there another one? Nope. Well, I guess we're going to climb the tree. Climbing the tree up to the top. I can see that girl up there. It has what team made it up there. Oh, I thought there was like a lot of like right next. Can't do this. Hold on, I can do this. Look, I did it! I did it! Yay! And the second go too. Actually did it. Now I'm going to get jumped down. What? I'm not following you. Let's see what she types in. Get off of my tree. Fine. A YouTube video and I can do whatever I want. Yay! Moonlight Lake. Woohoo! Wait, what? I know you're doing a YouTube video. Okay, weird. She probably knows my YouTube. I don't know. She turned in. I have to go. And she just asked me to team. Okay. 1 minute, that's not too long to wait for. Now, where is she? Oh, right there. By buying it. The person said, how do you get VIP? Let's just... Okay, this should be good now. How long? 30 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. I got a chest already. 2 iron ingots. Ooh, that's good. This, that. Ooh, a cake. Ooh, I got something to defend myself with. Oh, I didn't even get a stick either. Oh, I'm on fire. Why am I on fire? Need my axe to defend myself with. Found Shelby. So we need well, too bad for that. Well, that should be the end of this video. So I do hope you have enjoyed. I do hope you come again on my videos. And I do hope you have enjoyed this video. And you can wait. We have time for one more match. Sorry. Yeah, kind of weird. I've been disconnected from the server. Well, let's just go on again. we do have time for one more match, one more quick match. I know it was weird. Outro, and then I have time for one more match because it has only been 9 minutes. You might have seen on my other Let's Play video, there is there is this screen recorder I'm using now. It's hopefully she knows I'm saying yes, because I'm shaking my head up and down. Anyway, my screen recorder that I'm using now, it it only goes up to 15 minutes to record a video. Yeah, only 15 minutes. Don't really like that, because some of my videos are over time from 15 minutes. Well, he just joined in just in time. Sword, dun 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 dun. Ooh, stick. I love sticks for some reason. All I need is a helmet now to complete set of armor. Now, where is Shelby? Oh, I found her. Let's go, Shelby. Let's go. Follow me. Oh, wait, I didn't type and follow. Oh, she's already following me. That's good. So I don't have to type and follow me and get killed straight away. Let's kill these people right here. Hello. I will kill you for safekeepings. So I can actually... Oh, I just got myself into a big mess. Big mess. Oh my god, this person's going to kill me. I really shouldn't have gone there. They do have 2 pieces of bread. I can't eat that. Ow! Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. I'm gonna be dead. I'm dead. I am totally dead. So chest in there, yes there is. Let's just keep on going. I need some more food. I should. Food. Well, I died. I died. I died. 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 Well, that is the end of this video now. As I said, it's 13 minutes long, so it should be good. Anyway, I do hope you have enjoyed this video, and hopefully my teammate has revenged me. And I do hope you have a good day. And subscribe and like to my channel. Yeah! Actually, Alexa and my channel. Anyway, have a nice day.